In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Evernote. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your notes so they're easier to find later. Instead of relying only on notebooks, you can use tags to group related content across different notebooks. For example, you might tag notes by project, by client, or even by priority, and then quickly pull them all up with a single click. To get started, open Evernote in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your notes and navigation panel. On the left-hand side, you'll see different sections such as notes, notebooks, and you should also see a section labeled tags. This is where you manage all of your tags in Evernote. Look for a small plus sign next to the word tags in that left sidebar. This plus sign is the button you'll use to create a new tag. It might be slightly faded or small, so take a moment to hover your mouse around the tags label until you see it clearly. Once you find the plus sign beside tags, click on it. As soon as you click, Evernote will prompt you to type in a name for your new tag. Think carefully about how you want to name it. Use something short, clear, and consistent with how you organize the rest of your notes. For example, you could use work, personal, ideas, or something more specific like a project name. After typing the tag name, press enter or click outside the field to save it. The new tag will now appear under the tag section in the sidebar. From here, you can use it on any note in your account. Simply open a note, look for the tag area near the top of the note, and start typing the name of the tag you just created. Evernote will suggest it, and you can click to apply it. Over time, as you add more tags using that same plus sign beside the tag section, you will build a flexible system that lets you filter and search your notes much more efficiently. If you ever change your mind about a tag name, you can always come back to the tag section and edit or manage it from there. And that's all there is to it. Just find the tag section, click the plus